Fuqua with GumBitsZoom chatting, and we met Ashley Glica, pictured here with my daughter Kat Fuqua, when she presented an opportunity for Kat to ride the Breyer horse, Dani, last year at Winter Equestrian Festival by her owner, Reece. This is the second part to this year's GumBitsLiveZoom 11 with Reece's trainer, Ashley Glica of ATG Equestrian. Enjoy. And now you got this big, beautiful barn.
Yes, I know.
How did you get this barn? And this is Ashley.
How are you?
Ashley how do you say
Glica.
Glica. And what's your farm name? Is
My
it
farm
up
company
somewhere?
name is ATG Equestrian.
ATG. Here it is. It's right here. And how did you get this beautiful? Tell me about your barn.
So I had just moved in here about 6 months ago, and it just so happened that my other farm went up for sale, and we just happened to move here. I found this online, and I'm really happy since we found
Oh my God. You found this online?
it. Yes.
Are you on late?
Sorry?
I'm late, but if I didn't go around you and show up, we may never get together. So
It's okay.
thank you for that. Oh my God. Okay, now look at this beautiful. How many stalls are at this barn?
I think we have, what, 20, we have 22 stalls? 22 stalls?
24.
24. Oh my God. Okay. Tell me who this beautiful is.
This is Danish's Northern Tempest.
Oh my
Hi,
goodness.
Danny.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's like, okay, give them to me now. I've been in the cross ties waiting and waiting and waiting, and he knows me because I always look for him at the showgrounds. He's like, oh, yummy. Oh, give me some more. Lots more. Oh. And does he, Dani.
Danny's a girl.
Oh my God, no wonder we get along.
Do the whole line. Do it in 5 though. Sitting. Yeah, she does. We go with them. Nice, Dave.
He sounds like he was talking a little stuffy.
How many clients do you have here?
I have about 20 clients. A lot of the families own multiple horses.
And where did you grow up?
I grew up outside of Buffalo, New York, in a town called Akron. And I grew up riding there with my mom as well.
With your mom. I know your mom. I love your mom.
So much fun.
And how long have you been in Florida?
I've been in Florida going on 9 years.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-huh.
This is like so beautiful. I throw it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm walking backwards because I want to be in the.
Yes.
I want to be in the movie.
This is my first horse, Texas. He was my first show jumper, and we did up to the meter 30s, and now he's in semi-retirement.
And how long ago was that? And that was here in Wellington?
That was actually an upstate.
Okay. Oh, he's like,
He knows. Getting the treats in.
Ooh.
He likes his GumBits a lot.
Oh my goodness. He's like, please, no, give me some.
But he does really enjoy them. Come here.
And why do you think the horses love them so much?
So I think that the horses do like the flavor and the texture is really something they enjoy playing with in their mouth while they're getting ready to ride. I've had some really good results with horses that grind their teeth, and that definitely helps stop that.
And so as a trainer, why do you like the GumBits?
So I like the GumBits a lot because it doesn't give them too much of a slimy layer around their mouth. They do salivate, but it just seems a little bit cleaner than some of the other treats. I'm actually very happy with the teeth grinding. That's a big thing for me.
Now I know the teeth grinding through Texas. Say hi to me. I know that the dressage people don't like the grinding because it's a sign of tension.
Yes.
So it affects the scores. Now for you, for hunters or for jumpers, does it affect the what you're doing? Or
I think that it definitely has an effect on them as well because their mouth is more relaxed. Even though we don't get judged and lose points as in dressage when they're grinding their teeth, I think that in the hunters, their mouth should definitely stay quiet and more relaxed in that way.
so right, because in the hunters, hi Texas, I've never done an interview like this. It's
Look
kind
at
of fun. So with the hunters, of course, the judges are judging the horse.
Yes.
Which is why.
The more that they're quiet,
No.
the more that they're relaxed, definitely all is impacted.
Now, what about the jumpers? How does
Some of them it actually just helps keep them relaxed at the end gate when they're getting ready to go in, and they're kind of, it takes off their mind that little shake of a snack, and also the nice treat that they're getting right before they go in is really helpful.
Oh, and I love that I surprised you and showed up
I know.
unexpectedly. But
That was very
Texas, get back in the picture, Texas.
Getting his foot in.
Oh yes. And what is your name?
My name is Athena.
Athena, and I just did a little bit of shooting. You were doing the jumper.
Yes.
Do you do hunters and jumpers? or-
When I first started, I did hunters for like 3 years, I would say. And then I moved to jumpers when I switched barns finally. And then I recently came to Ashley's like a couple years ago. I mean, not years ago, a couple months ago.
Couple months ago.
And I've already claimed so far. I have 3 horses here, and I've been moved up really quickly, and I'm really happy.
Well, you're doing really good.
Thank you.
What do you show?
With my horse Carthago, I do the meter 15 modifiers.
Nice.
Yes.
Do you do any of the hunters, or you're primarily
no, more the
focused on the
jumpers.
jumpers? And have you shown Dani here?
No, I have not. This will be my first time on Dani.
Oh, you've never even ridden Dani?
No, I've been so busy with my 3 horses. So,
Yes. What is the, how did you find Ashley?
Ashley came to me at a show one day when I was at WEF. She came to me at a show saying, "Oh, I know you. I know your horse," because she used to have my old horse.
Okay.
And she used to have Carthago, and then that's how I started bonding with Ashley, and that's how I got in contact with her all summer. I've been in contact with her, and then when I was finally ready to like make the move, I called Ashley.
And you said that it's a really nice match. And I was just talking, I did an interview earlier today about, finding a right, nice match. And what do you think you have learned the most in such a short amount of time?
In the short amount of time I've been there, I've learned that my body is the biggest part of my horse, and with that really helps getting over the jumps without getting a pull is what I've been learning. And plus my horse has learned way too much right now. So we're taking a week off, and I'm just gonna be helping Ashley. So
That's great. Oh my gosh. And now we get to see you debut.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, look at the beautiful, beautiful sky. And what is your name?
Anton, how are you?
I'm good. Okay. Oh, did you give Dani some GumBits? Do you use GumBits or have you ever used the GumBits? Okay, let's see. If you even notice a difference in the feel of, well, you won't have anything to compare it to because you hadn't ridden without the GumBits.
So it gives them more moisture in their mouth and relaxes them, and then she'll take the fit better because of it. Just check your birth because she likes to bloat before.
Yeah. Okay. So Athena, a lot with her is just like the last 3 strikes of squeezing her. Don't hold too much on her back. She likes it in a soft
Well, I was telling Laura how in 1 year she just looks more put together and tracking under
definitely has
the mare.
a lot.
And you probably have had more time to train her and ride her yourself, right?
Yes. And I think now that you're training the muscle to stay the same now rather than her growing and growing
Oh.
Nice, Athena. That was fun.
Oh. So, was that what you expected, your ride?
I was expecting that out of Dani, but oh my gosh, literally, that was the best ride I've had in a long time
Oh.
on a mare.
And it's so nice that Laura lets people shares Dani,
Of course.
the Breyer mare. Now, I always thought I didn't know she was mare. Or maybe I did.
She's very sweet.
Oh, thank you for your time today.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure.
Quick.
Yes. Well, it's
likes
a
the
video,
video.
too. I know. Well, it's this tripod I have now.
Now we can get some good angles.
Nice, I know.
Appreciate your time. And there's so many different things and unique people here
Yeah.
in Wellington. It's such a special place to be. Thank you guys.